In order to achieve current carbon reduction goals in both industry and district heating, we need to embrace and invest in new sources of energy. Johnson Control heat pumps can utilise various sources to deliver hot water and can play a vital role in supporting this departure from fossil fuels. We've been making heat pumps since 1982 and now have a leading portfolio of industrial solutions. The Sabro Hi-Cap 273 is our latest generation of industrial, ultra-efficient, high-capacity ammonia heat pumps, capable of delivering up to 7 megawatts of heat and 95 degrees Celsius of outgoing water. It is the ultimate solution for lowering operational costs, downtime and overall cost of ownership. Flexibility of the modular design makes it possible to capture waste heat at multiple temperatures with optimal efficiency. It's designed with focus on your needs for high energy efficiency, operating flexibility, and a reliable solution with low operational cost for decades. The core of the Hi-Cap 273 is the new high-pressure screw compressor, created specifically to address market requirements for heat pump applications. It includes a new innovative short rotor and rotor profile for less deflection and vibrations. The compact heat exchanger tower helps maintain a smaller overall footprint while still allowing for different water connections and heat exchangers to optimize efficiency around your specific requirements. It's ideal to exploit high waste heat temperature and can operate with evaporation temperature up to 55 degrees Celsius. It can be configured as a two-stage heat pump, allowing you to obtain the highest efficiency and secure the lowest total cost of ownership. It is the ideal solution for effectively and efficiently turning low, medium and high temperature waste heat into hot water. For industrial or district heating, Hi-Cap 273 is the natural choice to achieve your operational and carbon reduction goals.